Operations of Numbers, Grade 4. STEM Kit Education. Book, Conceptual Maths Grade 4. Operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Today we are going to cover addition of 5 and 6-digit numbers. The process is simple, and is similar to what you have learned for 4-digit numbers. Let us take an example. We have to add 1,56,784 and 75,698. The most important thing is aligning the numbers to the right and writing the numbers according to their place values one below the other before adding. We have to add ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000s, and then lakhs. The order is lowest place value first. Now, we have to add ones together. We get 12. 1 gets carried over. 2 gets written. Adding tens, 8 and 9 and adding the carryover 1, we get 18. 8 gets written, 1 gets carried over. Adding hundreds, adding 7 and 6, and carry over 1, we get 14. 4 gets written, 1 gets carried over. Adding thousands, adding 6 and 5 and carry over 1 gives us 12. 2 gets written, 1 gets carried over. Adding 10,000s, or 7, 5 and 1, we get 13. 3 gets written and 1 gets carried over. Finally adding lakhs, we get 2 lakhs. So we get the answer. 2,32,482. That was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Isn't it?